Hey y'all, welcome back to Keller's Toy Store. Today we're taking a look at Transformers Studio Series 86 Ratchet. Before we look at him, let's look at the packaging. Here's the packaging. Down there you can see his name. He is number 23 of the 86 line. There's the artwork of Ratchet right there, and he is a part of the Transformers the Movie toy line series. On this side you can see a close-up of Ratchet right here. On the back, you can see him in robot mode, as well as the ambulance mode. And on the other side, you can see another shot of Ratchet. Here's the display he comes with. It's known as the Decepticons Attack display. It's a part of the scene from the movie where the Decepticons blow a hole in their ship or in their shuttle and kill off a lot of the toys that got discontinued in the toy line back in 1986. Now he does come with these two blasters. They are the same as Ironhide's, same color, same mold, everything. I would personally use them as his medical kit. Here he is with Bumblebee movie Ratchet. And here he is next to Ironhide. Now he looks amazing in his ambulance mode. He can roll back and forth very well. Nice Autobot symbol right there in the front. His windows are not as tinted as Ironhide's, but that's okay. You can see a lot of the robot mode and kibble inside the robot, or inside the car mode, I should say. Back is very clean. Underneath is what he looks like. Very clean underneath. Now to transform him, the first thing you want to do is come to the back, lift up the back just like that, fold in the windows, fold up the legs just like so, spread them apart, close down the back, close them down, close down the flaps. Then you'll want to untab the front bumper, come over here to the sides and untab them if you can. Just like so. And there goes his ambulance light. Untab and fold down the other side. Untab and fold back from the side here. And fold down the window just like that. Again, untab from the side. Fold and put to the side. Straighten up the legs, untab them from each other. Then you'll want to rotate right there and tab it in untab the arms, fold them down, fold down the chest, fold out the head, fold in the little window pieces, and fold in the roof into the chest, and align the front bumper to the back. And there you have him in his robot mode. Yes, the transformation is the same as Ironhide's, but that is okay. They're supposed to be similar. And honestly, I love what they did with Ratchet. Yes, they had to do some modifications with the shoulder pads, but that's because of modern era. That's okay. He's still really accurate. As for articulation, legs can go forward and back that far, and they can go out about that far. His crotch piece can go up and down. He does have 90 degrees of movement. His feet can toe tilt as well as go out about that far at the ankle. His arms can do a full 360 and go out about that far with amazing detail right there at the shoulder. His wrists have full rotation and can go up and down due to transformation. His head can look up and down and do a full rotation. His elbows have over 90 degrees. His waist has full rotation, and his thighs have rotation as well. There's the elbow articulation right there. Overall, he looks amazing in his robot mode. Very accurate to the original cartoon. Here he is next to Bumblebee movie Ratchet. And here he is next to Ironhide. Alrighty, y'all, I hope you enjoyed my review of Ratchet here. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos just like this. And I'll see y'all in the next one.